Hello everyone, this is video forum number 8. Equity and children's health. And well, for this video, I'm going to base on 3 articles and 1 video. Uh, the articles are Health Inequities, Children. It is from Local Government Association and it was written in 2022. It talks about the post-pandemic and the effects of it. The second article is from the same page, local government local government association, but it's a different article called Nottinghamshire improving access to affordable and healthy food. It was written in the same year. Next article is Inequity in Child Health, the importance of early childhood development. It is according to Susan Wolfenden, and et al. And it is given by Journal of Pediatrics and Children. And the video is called How Every Child Can Thrive by 5 from Tech Talks channel, according to Molly Wright. Well, going to the question given in the forum, to think about our healthcare system and to think about the inequities in our healthcare system and how the system provides these services to our children. Well, honestly, I haven't thought too much about it, and I haven't seen too much info about our healthcare system, but I know that there are a lot of trouble, not only with children, but with a lot of people, patients, that they ask for a date to see the doctor, and they are given a date, but it is in a long time, and it is very, let's say, unreal sometimes. So if that happens even with adults, what can we expect from children's? Where I'm going to think about it mostly from the info that I got from the articles and the video, and how the what is the importance of it, and how it can be even applied to our healthcare system. And one of the things that I want to start with is that how important it is to provide healthcare to children, especially in the early years of their childhood. And in one of the videos, well, in the video, not in, but also in one of the articles, in the video and one of the articles, it is mentioned that giving attention to the children help them to develop in a healthy and good way, but giving the correct attention, let's say. In the video, it is shown how during the first 5 years of our lives, the children's brain increases its volume, and how the children are able to contain this amount of information and to learn in those 5 years. In those 5 years, we learn to talk, to communicate with others, to interact, socialize, to walk. We learn many skills that will help us in our future. So if we neglect that attention to the children, if we neglect the children, we don't help them develop those skills, so they will be underperformed because they won't have the same skills. For example, if in a house that there is not too much resources, or that parents are very busy, they don't pay too much attention to the children. These children that are rejected for either their family or because they don't have enough resources, well, then become they unperform in many areas, and so they may develop physical or mental issues. By physical issues, it could be obesity, and by mental issues, it could be several disorders, mental disorders, and stress. So, the importance to provide them a fair health service is in order to create equality for them in the future, right? Because of course, if we give equality to everyone, there will be some that will take advantage of it, take good advantage, but there will be others that will be underdeveloped, and they won't be able to take that advantage as others because they don't have the same conditions, they didn't live the same conditions as others. That is what is said in the articles as well, that most um, underdeveloped houses, or houses with low income wages, the children in those cases tends to be under perform in the schools. They don't perform as well as others, and if they are not given a fair healthcare from in those early ages, then that would affect them for their life, and they will suffer consequences for their life. So yeah, I think that in our healthcare system, even though it is universal for everyone, there are many things to improve, that not only for adults but also for children as well, because after all, the children are the most important pieces of the future of our society. So if we don't take good care of them, these inequities will grow, and if these inequities grow, it is going to be harder, and the gap, the social gap, economical gap, and all those gaps will become wider and wider, and it will become just an unfair system and an unfair society for a lot of people. So if we want to avoid that, we have to take care since the beginning, since they're root, since they are very little, so they can grow better um, for what is to come. So yeah, that will be my video forum, and hope you like it and enjoy it, and see you next time.